Hello everyone, my name is Crystal and today we are going to learn how to make a pineapple upside down cake. First you will need a few ingredients and utensils. We will need a fourth of butter, plastic yellow cake mix, it doesn't matter which brand, 3 large grade A eggs, non-stick spray, about a cup of maraschino cherries, 2 cans of pineapples, juice drained but put aside, a cup of brown sugar, a third of olive oil, and your cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of pineapple juice. And you will need a 13 by 9 cake pan, a sheet pan, a teaspoon, and a butter knife. First you'll want to melt your fourth of butter and place it in your cake pan and make sure to spread evenly throughout the bottom. And you can just do this and wiggle it around a little bit. That'll help distribute it more evenly. And then you want to add your cup of brown sugar and pour it inside of your cake pan. And take your spoon and just make it spread evenly on the bottom of your cake pan. Make sure it's spread around to all 4 sides because this is what your pineapples and cherries are going to be held to the cake with, is this brown sugar glaze. And it's really good. So, once you have finished spreading the brown sugar throughout your whole pan, you will want to arrange your pineapple slices in rows on the bottom of your cake pan. Each row can take about 3 or 4 depending on the size of the pineapple. After you have arranged all your pineapples in your pan, you will want to take your maraschino cherries and place them in each pineapple ring and around the sides of each pineapple. After you have finished arranging your cherries, your product should look like this. Once you have finished setting up your pineapples and cherries, you are going to want to make your cake batter for your pineapple upside down cake. Take a small mixing bowl and place your batter in the bowl. Add your 1 cup of pineapple juice, your 1/3 of oil, and your 3 eggs. Oh, there we go. And you're going to want to mix it until your consistency is a liquid, not like a super thin liquid. After you have mixed your batter to a consistency such as this one, you're going to want to pour it over your pineapples and cherries. Make sure it's evenly spread across the bottom of your pan, just like everything else. Just take your spoon and spread it out to the corners. Make sure it covers all your cherries and pineapples. Once you have finished spreading, you should have a product that looks like this. And then you are going to want to bake it for 35 minutes or until your butter knife comes out clean. Place it in the center of your oven. Every so often, you're going to want to turn it. Once the cake has finished baking, it should look like this, and you should be able to put your knife or toothpick or whatever down in the bottom of it, and it should come out clean like this. And that will tell you when your cake is done. Next, you're going to want to take your knife and go around all the edges to make sure it doesn't stick for when you flip your cake. So, next, you're going to want to grab your sheet pan, place it on top of your cake pan like so, and grab both of them, and then you're going to want to flip it, just like that. And then you're going to set it down, and you're going to wait for about 5 minutes while this sits on top to let the brown sugar and butter drain and be a drizzle over your cake. Once you have removed your cake from the oven and flipped it, you're going to want to take the cake pan off of the cake. Just grab it on one side and lift up. And your finished product should look like that. Once you have removed your cake pan and let the cake cool, now it is time for the best part. You cut just one little piece, like so, and then you take your knife and fork and place the piece on your plate. I like the cherries a lot, so I definitely get them. And then you're gonna take a bite. That's good. And enjoy. And it's as easy as that.